Alright, so today we're going to go ahead and make a succulent garden with oyster shells. So I picked up these oyster shells, or at least this one, but I have a whole bunch of these that are in storage because I just don't have room in my tiny little house. But anyway, I picked these up at our local beach, and these are perfect for fairy garden items because they do sit fairly flat, as you can see. They already have like a deep dish anyway on their own. I don't know if you can see that. So we're gonna try and make a nice little succulent garden out of that. So we got your basic color of white, an assorted array of greens, some grays for if I need to put some feet on there, I have that, and some browns, assorted brown colors for the soils, and some pastels. So we're gonna try and use those because I haven't used that yet. If you haven't been watching my channel, I'm kind of new to polymer clay, so there's still tricks and stuff I'm still learning, and I've been talking to people that have been doing polymer clay for quite a while, so they've been really nice enough to help me out. And we got some cornstarch for the molds to help them to not stick as well as your hands, because the clay, especially this stuff, this isn't Sculpey, it's some oddball brand, but this is super sticky. These types here, they will stick. So that's what we're doing today. And I got the pokey tool so we can do a bazillion little holes for the soil. And I got the paintbrush here to use for the cornstarch that we can put on there to help release it. The oven is already preheating, so we got that going. And now on to time lapse. Okay, so it's not 100% totally dry. It's been about maybe 30 or so minutes since I did this, but it's dry enough for me to handle. I'll leave it sit for another couple of hours to really, solidify on there. But as you can see, it's not too overly shiny, which is exactly what I wanted. I left the shell matte. And these are not clean. These were just basically rinsed off. Now I will do, when our lockdown lifts, I have to go down to the hardware store and get the appropriate cleaners for these, but since it's not an essential thing, we're not allowed to do that. But when the lockdown lifts and we're relatively back to normal, I'll go get the cleaners that I need, and I'll show you guys how to clean these properly if you ever go and take up shelling or pick up something that's covered in a lot of calcium deposits, which is what all this white stuff is on it. Not this, that's the actual color of the shell, but like this dingy white that's on it that really dulls down the colored part, that's just a calcium deposit. So, and vinegar won't do it. You gotta use something just a little bit stronger. So I'll have that video, I'm hoping within another month or so, up for you guys to show you how to do that. But yep, there's our little fairy garden. I'm gonna set it there, like that. But yeah, you can put this in a fairy garden, and I think it'll look really cute. So, well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. I do read all the comments that come through. Don't be afraid to leave one of those. You guys stay safe and keep practicing social distancing. And we'll get through this epidemic, pandemic, whatever you want to call it, together. Bye.